This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pado Yam. We'll cover everything from selecting the best yam to achieving that perfect texture. This dish is a wonderful way to enjoy a staple food with a unique twist. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a comforting and flavorful meal that your family will love. It's easier than you might think, and the results are truly satisfying. For our Pado Yam, you'll need about 2 pounds of fresh yam, 1 medium onion, and 2 to 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget about 1/4 cup of palm oil and your favorite seasonings like salt and a pinch of pepper. Start by carefully peeling your yam, then cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking and a delightful texture. First, boil your yam cubes in lightly salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. While the yam cooks, heat your palm oil in a separate pan and sauté the chopped onions until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and cook until they soften into a rich sauce. Drain the yam, then gently combine it with your prepared sauce, mashing some pieces for creaminess. Your delicious Pado Yam is now ready to be served. Enjoy it warm as a comforting main course or as a flavorful side dish. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro can add a lovely touch. This dish pairs wonderfully with grilled fish, chicken, or even a simple green salad. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.